Hello. I was looking for this on the internet because I saw it in only a squid video, but sideways shields in first person mode. So, basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna type in %appdata%. You're gonna need some sort of texture pack with a shield.json and a shield blocking.json. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna come down here to resources, and then you see you have resource packs. I have a bunch of resource packs here. Yours may be empty if you are like me and you're a freak and you hoard a bunch of texture packs. Yours is gonna look like this. So if you need to find one, you go over here to the search. I'm just gonna use the one that I'm using mainly for PvP. You just search a keyword in there. See vanilla plus. I didn't type in vanilla plus v2, but I typed in vanilla and it took the keyword from that. So then you go to assets, Minecraft, models, item, and then down here they're sorted by their letters. So you see S down here, SH for shield. So you have shield.json and shield blocking.json. The reason you do shield blocking.json is when you block with the shield and you haven't changed this, it kind of looks like the shield teleports from next to you to the middle of your screen, and that can be really triggering. So first we're going to look at shield.json. So you just need to copy this down. Your file, unless you already have a sideways thing, won't look like this. I think there were a bit of things changed. This isn't changed. This is the same. Third person, these third person things. We want to change first person. So the rotation is going to go to 0, then 90, and 90. Only change the numbers. Don't change any of these things around here, because it'll turn your thing into an error box, like the black and purple box, if you do anything wrong here. Translation 15, 0, 10, scale 1.25, 1.25, 1.25. You do the same thing down here because you want it to look the same no matter what hand you're doing it in. GUI, mess with this. I think you messed with this a bit. You may not. Just be sure all this is copied and yours looks just like this. So be sure you have all this down. Pause the video if you need to. Fixed rotation, you see 180. These numbers stay the same. These numbers stay the same, and then just keep all this down here. If this is here, I don't know if it is, but just keep all this and only adjust these numbers. So I'm going to let you see it one more time. Pause the video so that you can look at everything on the screen. Now I'm going to scroll down. Okay, be sure you see that. You got to put it down, because if you put it down wrong, you'll get that error box. And then shield blocking.json, the same thing here. You can't put it in wrong, or else when you block your shield, you'll get that error box. So display, you see these numbers. These are the third person things. These don't matter. We don't need to change these. It only goes down to this far, so you can like take a screenshot of this. Or not screenshot, sorry. You can pause the video, or you can take a screenshot. First person right hand, 180, all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and launch Minecraft so it can be launching. But the thing is, by messing with this is like the text file that is like, it doesn't control the actual texture. So you can change this in any texture pack. No matter what the shield is, it'll just turn it sideways and make its blocking better. So you can do this with anything, but like, you need a not percent active data, you need an assets, you know, the pack PNG, pack MC meta, and then you need a Minecraft. Actually, I don't even know if you need a Minecraft models and items. I don't think you do, and then you just need one of these, and then the shield blocking.json. But I mean, this is really not good to hand type. I tried to hand type something else, and it didn't work out very well. So we see now that we're in the game. Now multiplayer. See, now we're in the game, and I have a few things open, so it might be a bit laggy. But so basically, this is going to turn your shield sideways now. So you'll see what it looks like. And then I'll like take off the texture pack to show you what it looked like before and then after. And for me, like, this shield looks the same. So boom, Look at it. You see, third person, it's sideways. Sorry for the FPS. Third person, it's sideways. Then first person, it's sideways. You raise the shield, and it's right here. Like right here, about right here, instead of like up here. It like usually rests here and then comes up to like right here. Now it's here and it comes up to like right here. So if I were to take this resource pack off, see I have a ungodly amount of packs. Thank God sodium and lithium helps it move fast. Look at where it is. See how high it rests, and then you bring it up and it like blocks your crosshair. So you have to look at your opponent over the top of your shield, and I just think that's really bad for shield PvP. That's like why a lot of people don't use shields, because it's hard to see. But with this pack or any other pack where you change those text files to what I showed on the screen, then you will get something that looks like this. And if there are any mistakes, just go back, be sure you did it right. Of course, the rest of the stuff in the pack isn't changed. I'm talking about the shield right here. So, thank you guys for watching. And before you go, I want to give credit to Dolly, because Dolly, his 50k pack has this kind of shield sideways thing, and that's where I pulled it from. That's how I discovered it. Nobody made a video on it, and the only person I've seen with this sideways pack is Dolly. The sideways shield pack. So I decided to make a video on it. But thank you to Dolly for making the pack that made this video possible. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.